Greatest green tea. What to search for. Many people and tea connoisseurs are searching for the very best green tea. Some base their view about the origin and cultivation from the tea plant alone. Other people take into account the suppliers and resource cautiously. Some individuals also go through the substances, varieties, and brands. Whatever the way you watch green tea, each represent whole and very long time period gains that can prolong lifestyle and decrease stress. It is vital to incorporate many of the necessary variables for comparison to end up together with the finest item that could genuinely satisfy consumers' requirements. About origin and growth. Many industry experts will concur that to attain the top green tea probable, individuals have to appearance deeper from your extremely beginnings with the tea plant. Most gurus state that the best quality merchandise can only be harvested and developed in China and Japan, in which the original plant by natural means existed and proliferated. The elevation on the plantation should be rather higher to ensure the temperature stays interesting on the course of the year. Different provinces in the course of China and Japan are regarded for growing particular kinds and forms of the Camellia sinensis plant and export around the world. The sort of plant may even ascertain the harvest period. Farmers must be especially cautious when harvesting by selecting the best time when leaves and buds are still relatively young and nearly to mature. They are instructed to reap just the very topmost leaves and parts in the plant for that very best taste and aroma. Finding whatever down below will result in very poor quality and perhaps bitter taste. Certifications and processing. Those people on the lookout for the top green tea can make confident they are purchasing merchandise which might be certified organic and natural and all natural. There are a number of all over the world organizations that fee and certifies customer products. Folks will see for that unique seal of authenticity to ascertain when they are getting from authentic and top quality harvesters and vendors. The method of making green tea is additionally unique. Most of the gourmand kinds are no lengthy or fermented and demonstrate why the leaves retain the original green color. Some internet websites will reveal how the tea leaves are transported from a single country for the production plant's region to undertake pretty meticulous processes to provide just the most effective solutions. On kind and packaging. The best green tea for several specialists stay in its complete leaf for free tea leaf type. Tea luggage or crushed tea leaves come second on account of the smaller surface location. The flora from the leaf will determine the quantity of catechins, antioxidants, and polyphenols that could be transferred in the product into the sizzling H2O throughout steeping. The broader the floor region, the greater nutrients and healthful agents which will be transferred. Entire tea leaves are typically packed into airtight tin cans or boxes using an expiry date. Other people might also be packed in fabric to retain freshness and high quality. Folks really should be careful about green tea capsules, drugs, powders, and concentrates. These, however, provide health advantages, although not within the exact extent because purely form. Additives have presently been added as well as the item has currently undergone chemical processes, so these are not as pure and might even communicate with other meals, substances, and prescription drugs to trigger negative effects. When ordering, the most effective green tea can be ordered over the internet and well-being food item outlets and grocery and specialty outlets. The cost of your box or offer is all around $20 to $50, relying within the top quality. A teaspoon of unfastened tea leaves could make 3 to 5 infusions. Payments online might be executed utilizing PayPal and credit card, but many women need to only offer with qualified and legitimate sellers. There are official internet sites for your number of brands. It will aid to evaluate the resource and read recommendations and critiques about the green tea products well before acquiring. Transports may take 3 to 10 days time, as well as package will likely be sent correct to your doorstep. Transport is normally on the price from the buyer. Purchasing in bulk may even deliver discounts. Promos at specified periods from the year will help purchasers save a lot more. The very best green tea is mostly pricier in contrast to typical beverages and preparations thanks to the high good quality and target on detail for the duration of harvesting and producing.